Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Click the bell icon at the top of the page to get notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a thumbs up. Universal Channeling. Channeling the Conscious Universe. Journey to Oneness. By Angel V. Ornedo Jr. November 9, 2021. Humans of our current timelines now can be considered select beings, luckiest in our evolutionary reality, living in a fading murky world of darkness, provided with the opportunity to uplift third-dimension human to a new plane, to a new level of reality of joy and happiness. We are given a choice, to join the light at a higher plane or exist in lower vibration with assistance from God's messengers, archangels, ascended masters, light beings of other universes, our choice and free will. This is happening at our timeline never before experienced by humanity. Selected spirits of light beings, or souls incarnated on the planet to humans, light bringers, way showers and star seeds to accelerate growth shift of the planet and humanity who were cast aside as weirdos, talking, and sharing things of the unknown, but humanity is listening. Olden stories and beliefs that originated in Roman European countries are dropped as lies. The assistance of higher light beings given when asked through our higher self illumined our hearts, brought keys, light codes, divine imprints and intense light energies. We now have access to wisdom, our higher selves, and infinite intelligence, fully open to heart-centered human beings. Matter through the creation process means vibration levels at low density at 3D, thence matter is created. At higher vibration, connection of our cells, the planets and stars communicate through sound, music or ringing bells, but as it slows down, at the lower density at low vibration, it provides avenues for physical bodies to take form to matter what we understand as 3D, where the Earth experiment turned to horror stories. Ascension, or the shift is reality the moment we are free of old programming, beliefs that we had as darkness has manipulated and tampered our body, constitution utilizing governance and religion. At a higher plane, our bodies are transferred to light, consciousness and energy and light form having an experience at the low density preparing for the shift. Lest we miss out, love, unconditional love is the primary ingredient in the ascension process, that is knowing every person is divine, knowing truth. Unconditional love is the basic ingredient in our trek to the ascension shift. Light body processes together with the purification and cleansing of distortions and blockages of the body are simultaneously happening. We become aware and awoke knowing our soul allows light energies permeate each heart cell and the crystalline seat at the heart center of our being. Our internal organs are collective heart equals cells composing several billions of it, knowing ourselves as a universe herself. At this point in time that there are almost 5,800 approved patents in USA shelved, purchased or sold to the elite, or the military says they are dangerous to national security who have private commercial, uses the likes of anti-gravity, solar photovoltaic cells and flying machines that can instantly change our way of life to convenience mode in all facets of living. They are hidden for 70 years that retard the growth of our civilization invented by humans. God sent way showers but their inventions are cast away, bought by Western secret dark controlling government, and the military. Meditation and focus are processes that start the access of the focused sacred heart to the sacred mind, the archive of wisdom, infinite intelligence and information, and onto higher self. It is now reality. I am focused, are words of divinity, an embodiment of love and it means connection with God. The moment you incorporate all fractals, soul, higher self, and oversoul, oneness with source is near at hand. Start with your higher self and your sacred heart connecting all your actions. You are on track to oneness. Source provided us with memory seed, divine imprints and light codes at our sacred minds, and eternal programming in our journey, seeking oneness with Creator. Let your heart connect with your mind, thus wisdom, infinite intelligence and information are accessible as you erase fortified membranes that blocked access to the brain making us blinded. After this connection you are ready for your connection with your higher self from high vibration light energies download from source. Call for assistance, connect with our guides, and protectors archangels, light beings and beings of Christ consciousness, the ascended masters, source, and you will never go astray. Aware and awakened are shedding our unnecessary memories, no longer enjoy the social life we are accustomed, are now heart-centered and prefer full harmony and peace. Source energy within, and divinity has merged fully with our heart, mind body and soul, preparing our whole being for a conversion to crystalline form as we vibrate to higher frequency, a part of our journey to oneness with source. As we move on to a higher plane, our journey continues. Love and light. Angel V. Ornedo Jr. About the author, Angel teaches love, light, oneness and unity consciousness. Connect at Barnes & Noble, Libris and Amazon.com. Knowing the Infinite Creator or ebooks and articles at the net.